Meaning of machine-readable.
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 Machine-readable. Machine-readable refers to data or information that is formatted in a way that can be easily understood and processed by a machine or a computer program. This typically involves the use of structured data formats such as XML, JSON, or CSV, which allow the data to be organized into a consistent and easily parsable format. The term machine-readable is often used in the context of information exchange between different computer systems or applications, where there is a need for data to be transferred automatically and without manual intervention. By using a machine-readable format, the data can be read and processed by a computer program without the need for human interpretation, reducing errors and increasing efficiency.